All right, here we are, 78 Corian Lane, unit number 6, the one to the left right there. Give you a street view. We are just about 1.5 miles from downtown Niantic. This is Corian Lane, and this location has everything that Niantic has to offer. Mailboxes are right there. Your guests, and you may even want to park up front because there is on-street parking here. There are 2 spots that are associated with this condominium. What we have here is 2 bedrooms upstairs, a full bath upstairs, living room, dining room, kitchen, and a full basement. This garden area right here from the corner over is yours. The president of the association actually really keeps that area nice. And so let's take a peek at what this condo has to offer. Great alternative to renting. You can own this property relatively inexpensively. These are the stairs that go up to our townhouse style condo. So one of the first things that you're going to notice, this is special because it's an end unit. The end unit provides you with no overlap with your neighbor against this left side wall, and you gain a window. And our exposure here on the front of the condo is to the west. So the afternoon sun comes in, fills this family area nicely. We've got hardwood down here. Coming into the kitchen, we've really got a galley style kitchen. Nice little coat closet right here. The galley style kitchen features a gas range. There's about $2 to $6 a month depending on how much cooking you do. We've got updated countertops here. This is Corian, so your solid surface premium material right here. The gas range, like I said, fridge right here. We've got the dishwasher here. Breakfast area, be great to have a nice little high top right there if you want. And we've got a little pantry right there. So one of the things that I want to highlight is your day-to-day entrance is more than likely going to be through the rear because we've got the assigned parking. The way this deck area works is from here over to the corner. The seller actually used to have his grill right there in the corner. That would be for this particular unit, number 6. And so the assigned parking spot for that is right here. And then there is unassigned parking on the other side of the parking lot, 1 spot over there. There are also spots coming in the driveway and on street for overflow and when you're entertaining. This door right here does go down to the unfinished basement we'll take a look at last. So townhouse style, what's that mean? Upstairs is where your bedrooms are. We'll take a peek coming upstairs. The size of the master is really pretty impressive. And again, hardwood flooring throughout here. This master, the size is just tremendous. Again, no overlap. Unlike the non-end units, you don't have anybody. You don't have someone's headboard on this side. You just got a window and exterior light coming in. Big bonus with the end unit, okay? Front of the unit's right here facing the street. So awesome size in this large master bedroom. Bedroom number 2, and that's what we've got, 2 bedrooms in this complex, or in this unit. This is, again, hardwood flooring, closet space right there. This does look to the east over the parking lot. We've got our full bath right here. Updated shower, so that's kind of a nice thing. Vinyl flooring's in great condition. And we'll just give you a quick peek of the unfinished blank slate, unfinished lower level. And that'll wrap up 78 Corian Lane, unit number 6. So coming here, basement stairwell. Kind of nice to have a basement with some storage down here. So what we have is a 275 gallon oil tank. We have a furnace, oil-fired furnace. So unlike some of the condos in town with electric heat, this is a little bit more efficient for you. We've got a Bach oil-fired hot water heater. That gives you a boatload of hot water. The great thing about this is, just got serviced by local Guys Oil in April. This unit's got modern breakers. Right here is the washer dryer hookup. So you do have hookups down here. And this back door right here, get that lock undone. This ends up bringing you to the common hallway right here. So if you make friends with your neighbor and it's a blizzard outside, you can walk down and they can let you in. And right here we get the measurement for our propane use. There's only a few units in this building that actually have propane. So that would be it for 78 Corey Lane, Unit 6. Schedule your showing ASAP. To be under $150,000 in downtown Niantic is not an easy feat. So get your showing before this unit's gone.